Welcome to the lesson on nested control structures in JavaScript. In this lesson, we'll learn how to use nested control structures like if statements inside other if statements to handle more complex conditions. This is an essential skill when building more dynamic and responsive programs, using nested if statements. A nested if statement is an if statement inside another if statement. This allows us to check for more specific conditions based on the results of previous checks. Explanation. Here, we check if the age is less than 12. If the condition is true, it applies a 20% discount. If age is greater than or equal to 12, nothing will happen. Output, discount, 20% using while loops with nested conditions. You can use a while loop to repeat actions while a condition is true. Nested if conditions inside a loop allow you to perform different actions based on the state of the variables. Explanation. The loop will keep running as long as tickets is greater than 0. After each iteration, the ticket count is reduced by 1. Using switch with nested conditions. The switch statement can also be nested inside another switch statement to handle more specific cases. Explanation. This switch statement checks the value of day and prints the corresponding day of the week. Output, day, Wednesday. Using nested if-else for grading. You can use a combination of if, else if, and else statements to create more complex grading systems based on scores. Explanation. We first check if the score is 90 or higher. If it is, we assign an A grade. If the score is between 80 and 89, we assign a B grade. For scores below 80, the grade is C. Output, grade, A. In this lesson, we learned how to use nested if statements to check for more complex conditions, how to combine loops with nested conditions to repeat actions based on multiple criteria, how to use nested switch statements to handle multiple cases, the importance of combining if, else, and else if to create detailed decision-making logic. Great job. You now have a solid foundation in working with nested control structures. Keep practicing to master this concept.